Hello students, today we are going to find the area of the largest rectangle that can be made in a semicircle whose radius is given, that is equal to r. Okay, let us do the work. First of all, I am going to use the coordinate axis over here. Okay, I have taken the coordinate axis. This is origin, this is x axis, this is y axis. Okay, now over here radius is fixed, it's not a variable. So I'm making a semicircle on it, keeping the center as O. So this will be capital R, this will be negative R, the point what I want to say. Now I am making a rectangle in it. Okay, see, I made a rectangle. I am naming it as A, B, C and D. I am taking this point as x, so this will be minus x. So the coordinate of this and as well as the height of the breadth of this rectangle is equal to y. So the coordinate of this point will be x comma y. Similarly, it will be minus x comma y. Okay. Now this point is y. Remember. And this is also capital R because it's a radius. Next, what we observe over here that the length of the rectangle is modulus of x plus x, which is equal to twice x. This is the length of the rectangle. And the breadth of the rectangle is y. You can see it clearly over here. Therefore, area of a rectangle ABCD is equal to its length times breadth, and length is twice x into y. So we got 2xy. This is the first equation. Secondly, I am going to join the origin with point P over here. So this is equal to what? This is also equal to radius r. Okay, that's it. Next, in triangle BOC, using Pythagoras theorem, it's OB square equal to BC square plus OC square. Here OB is equal to R, so I have written R square. BC is equal to Y, this is equal to Y, okay? This is Y square. And OC is X, so X square. I'm just showing it over here. This is Y, this is X, okay? Because the length from here till here it is x. From here to here this is y. So we have got another equation. Now I am going to make the subject formula for y over here. As you know that r is fixed, it's constant. Fine. So from 1, since r square equal to x square plus y square, so r square minus x square equal to y square, or y is equal to under root r square minus x square. Okay, keep this as equation number 3. Now I am going to use this form with this value. I am going to put it in equation number 1. Putting 3 in 1. Area of rectangle ABCD is equal to 2 times x. In place of y I am going to put r square minus x square. For time being I am just considering area of rectangle equal to A. So this is equal to 2x times r square minus x square. Now we are going to differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Differentiating with respect to x, we get dA upon dx equal to 2x. See over here, when I am differentiating, I am going to use over here product rule, because this u, this x is equal to u, and this total I am considering it as v. Okay, and the product rule is, what is the product rule? It is, see, this is equal to u dv by dx plus v du upon dx. Clear? Okay. Now see, I am applying it over here. Keep the 2 aside. U dv upon dx means 1 upon 2 times under root r square minus x square, and once you have to differentiate even this will equal to minus 2x plus, next v, what is v? It is r square minus x square, and derivative of x will be only 1. Now you can see dA upon dx equal to, from here I am going to eliminate 2, so we are left with minus x square upon under root r square minus x square plus r square minus x square, which is under root. Okay, now let us do a little bit more manipulation. So I am going to take LCM r square minus x square under root. I am going to multiply this base, will get r square minus x square. See, I am just showing all the calculations. So dA upon dx, this is equal to 2 times, this is minus x square, square root will vanish, will have r square minus x square divided by under root r square minus x square. Little more calculation. dA upon dx, this is equal to 2 times, it will be capital R square minus 2x square divided by under root r square minus small r square. Got it? Now, for the maximum area, we have to put dA upon dx equal to 0. Okay? For maximum area, put dA upon dx equal to 0. We'll look over here. 2 times r square minus 2x square divided by under root r square minus x square is equal to 0. Here 2 is not equal to 0, therefore r square minus 2x square upon r square minus x square will be equal to 0. Now go for further calculation. R square minus x square into 0, so this r square minus 2x square is equal to 0. So r square equal to 2x square, or r equal to plus minus under root 2x square, r equal to plus minus square root of 2 times x, but we will take only square root of 2 times x because radius cannot be negative. I have taken this. Now from this I am taking x equal to r upon square root of 2. I am going to put this value of x in 3. Writing over here, putting x equal to r upon square root of 2 in 3, we will get y equal to r square minus r upon square root of 2 whole square. When you calculate it further, we will have r square minus r square upon 2. So we will get r square upon 2. The final answer y is also equal to r upon square root of 2. See, you can see over here both the value of x and y are equal. Okay, now see, now you can find the area of the rectangle what we want. Now area of the largest rectangle that can be drawn in a semicircle of radius r is equal to, putting the value in 1, 2 times, in place of x I am going to write r upon square root of 2, in place of y I am going to write r upon square root of 2. So this is 2 times r square, root 2 into root 2, 2 get cancelled. So answer is r square.